Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations, and today we're looking at Everyday Essentials Preacher Curl Bar. For all intents and purposes, I'm going to be telling you some of the benefits of using one of these curl bars, and I'm going to recommend Everyday Essentials. If you're going to buy one brand of bar, then that's probably the one that you should pick up. Now, if you're really looking at isolating the biceps, then this is a great bar for you. You can really get in and strain those muscles and get that workout and build the unique, form that you want for your muscles. Now, there's a lot of different things that make this a great bar, and there's a lot of different things you can do with it. Now, think back, you're lying on a bench, you can do kind of a skull crushers, which is a great workout when you're laying down. There's a lot of things that you can do with this. Reverse curls as well. Now the bar itself, I believe, is about 48 inches and 31 inches inside. 3 inches right here for your clips, and it will support up to 350 pounds, making it a superior bar. Something that you definitely need. Now I have, my favorite workout with it is putting it on a preacher bench, putting my elbows on the bench for support, and just building like that really does help. And frankly, the biceps are a muscle that people are going to notice and they're going to use. Now, a great thing about it is you can build up on your exercises. Just the 210s, you're only talking about 15, 25, 35 pounds here. You can do a great endurance workout by doing a lot of these like I've done today, or you can put lower weight and really build up bulk. There's also other things that you can get out of this. Obviously, with the unique styling of the bar, it really takes the strain and stress off of your wrists. Being able to just turn your wrist just a little bit in the workout is going to save you a lot of pain later in the day. So this is an ergonomic, straightforward design. It's really good for you. And Everyday Essentials makes some of the best steel in the business, some of the best products in the business. So go ahead and order today. Order with confidence. Great price and a great product, a great company. Order today, you won't be disappointed. Let's see if we can get a thumbnail. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.